All right, here we go. Let's play through Lahaina Luna by Kui Lee. If you need to review anything in the tutorial, check that out ahead of time. I'm just launching right in here on my D chord. In the tutorial, I was using a standard strum, which you're welcome to use. If you want to give it a little bit of an island feel, you can give a little calypso island strum to it. Whatever feels good. Let's just play through those chords once all the way through, then we'll go back and add the words. We'll start on D here. 1, G is 2, back to D for 3, 4, A7 is 5, back to D for 7, A7, 8. Start again, the second stanza, D to G, back to D for 3, 4, A7 for 5, 6, split the bar here, G, G minor, and D. Straight to the B section, G for 2, D for 2, E7 for 2, A7 also for 2, hold if you like, back to the fourth stanza, D, G, back to D, just like the first one, A7 for 2, to D, also for 2, A7, to D, rounding it out here, A7 again, but this time, split the bar, G, G minor, to D, again, A7, feel free to slow it down, make it dramatic, G, G minor, D, and we'll pause it there. Let's go back and add the lyrics. I'll add just one note here. You may have noticed when we get to splitting the bar, I break up my strum pattern and really make sure I emphasize each chord change with a full down strum. Feel free to do that along with me. Here we go, from the top one more time. We'll add the words. I'm going to the island of the valleys, to Lahaina, Lahaina Luna, where the mountains are green. You will find me in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. They say that Maui no ka'oi, and I agree, 'cause Maui no ka'oi is the only place for me. That's where you'll find me, down by the seaside, watching the moonlight, the twinkling starlight, the morning sunrise, the golden sunset in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Once more, in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Beautiful job, beautiful song. I love, love, love that one. Kui Lee is just one of my favorite Hawaiian songwriters. Not very well known, so look him up. Look up the rest of his music. Really lovely tunes. Nice job. Come on back, practice with me anytime you need. Make sure you're practicing without me, though. You want to make sure you can do it on your own. And as I always like to remind you, feel free to come on back, take out a layer. Don't sing, don't strum, don't chord, right? Make sure you have the layers in there that work for you that you're trying to bring together. Feel free to take one of them out so you can really focus on the two of them together, or even just on one. You can just mute the thing, not strum at all, not sing at all, and just strum along with me the whole time as you need. So feel free to isolate whatever layers you want to work on. And of course, if I was going a little too fast for you, you can always check the settings wheel below to reset the playback speed to slow it down a little bit. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe below. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new videos have been posted. You might also consider becoming a member, which you can do at different levels, gets you different perks, and again, is a great way to say thank you and keep this channel going. Really appreciate your support. You can learn more about my work at averyhill.studio. Thanks so much.